In this video, I'm going to show you how to add boxes, editable boxes, so that kids can click and type over top of this background image that we've put in, which is the worksheet. So to do this, it's actually pretty easy. We just got to change the size of a few of them. I'm going to click on this text box right here, and I'm going to draw a box. And then what I would recommend you do so that the kids can easily see it is I'm going to add a fill color to it. So I'm going to go up to this paint can, and I'm going to add a very light blue color. And then when they type, you can still see the typing over this. I'll demonstrate that here in just a minute. And then to save some time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control and the letter D. That duplicates the box. And then with the 4 arrows, I can drag this down. I'll make it slightly smaller so it fits in there a little bit better. And then I'm going to hit Control D again. I'll bring it over here. Then I'm going to hit Control D again. And I'm going to resize this one to make it for these smaller boxes. These ones are a little bit harder to move. You have to be careful. I'm going to get Control D, and when I'm moving them, as long as all 4 arrows are present, it means I can click and drag to move it. This red line that is there is telling me that these are centered if you want to make it in a straight line. And then if I hit Control D again, I'm going to grab this one and go over here. And now that red line is telling me I'm in the center of both of those. Control D again. Now this time there'll be 2 red lines. I can align it with the one above, or I'm sorry, 1 red line there. And then when I go Control D, I probably will see 2 red lines here. I can align it with the one above it and beside it. Okay, I'm going to keep going. And I'm going to bring these down here. And I'm going to go. And I'm just hitting Control D. I may want to bring this one down a little. There we go. So there's a space. And then I can see there's a little bit of a gap here. I can use my arrow keys to have it jump up a little bit. So I hit arrow up 1 time. And now all of these boxes a student could click in and they could type. To tell them this, what I would do is I would make another box and I would add some directions here. I'm going to fill this in just so it looks the same. And just say, and it's going to be helpful if you tell them to double click. Give them some sort of directions. I'm going to resize this. And this one, I can put right here. You would probably want to put these notes and these directions in the assignment itself as well. And then for down here, since it's asking them to select all correct answers, you would probably want to put some sort of a note down here as well. And you could leave the note off to the side. They're going to get a similar view as this. I'm going to fill this one in just to keep it consistent. And I might just say, double click and type an X in all answers. That's going to be totally up to you. Excuse me. And I'm going to just put this off to the side here so the students can see it. And now the students would be able to answer on this document and send it back to you. In the next video, I will discuss sharing this out on once on Google Classroom, and then I'll also create a video that talks about sharing this out on your Google website if that's what you're using.